What if I told you there are lizards that don't need males to reproduce? Or fish that change their sex halfway through life? Or animals that are literally half male and half female, split right down the middle? Welcome to the bizarre world of animal genetics, where nature bends the rules, breaks them, and sometimes throws the whole rulebook out the window. In this video, we're diving into the strangest real-life genetic phenomena in the animal kingdom, from virgin births to gender-swapping fish and mutant creatures that defy logic. First up, Parthenogenesis. A fancy word for something truly wild, females giving birth without any male involved. It sounds like science fiction, but it's 100% real. Take the New Mexico whiptail lizard. Every single one is female. No males. Yet, they reproduce just fine. They lay eggs that grow into perfect clones of themselves. Even crazier? This has happened in sharks. In aquariums, there have been documented cases of female sharks giving birth without ever being near a male. Scientists were stunned. Why does this happen? Usually when populations are isolated or under stress, nature finds a way to survive. Next, imagine a creature that is literally split in two, male on one side, female on the other. Meet the Gynandromorph. These rare animals appear mostly in butterflies, birds, and lobsters. Half of their body is male, with one wing or one side of the body looking masculine, and the other side is female. It's not a costume or a mutation. It's a genetic accident during the very first cell division in the embryo. Nature's version of Two-Face, but real. Now for one of the most mind-blowing, animals that change sex as part of their life cycle. Clownfish, yes, like in Finding Nemo, are all born male. In a group, the largest and most dominant one becomes female. If she dies, the next biggest male turns female and takes her place. In contrast, the wrasse fish does the opposite. They start as females and switch to males when needed. This isn't magic. It's sequential hermaphroditism, and it's built into their DNA. Their environment, social structure, and even hormonal signals can trigger the transformation. Imagine if humans could do that. Wild, right? Not all genetic weirdness is about sex. Some animals have mutations that give them actual superpowers. For example, the marbled crayfish. It's a mutant species that didn't even exist 30 years ago. One female suddenly developed the ability to reproduce by cloning herself, and now they're invading lakes and rivers across Europe. Then there are naked mole rats, freakishly long-lived, immune to cancer, and able to survive with barely any oxygen. Some mice have mutations that make them practically resistant to tumors. Evolution is experimenting all the time. Sometimes it creates monsters, and sometimes, miracles. The animal kingdom isn't just full of beauty, it's full of biological weirdness that pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. What we covered today is just the tip of the iceberg. Which animal blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, I read every one. And if you want more wild science, weird facts, and jaw-dropping animal stories, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This channel is just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.